welcome. So today we are doing lots of cleaning. If you guys don't know, right now I actually am 37 weeks pregnant today. And last week was all about organizing and decluttering. And this week it's kind of been about cleaning. But it's been a very busy week and I haven't been able to get lots of cleaning done today. So I wanted to show you guys my cleaning planner that I have for my house and kind of show you guys what I've done this week and what I haven't done and what needs to be done. I have about maybe like an hour and a half to do some things, but I have a toddler running around. So all that time does not get dedicated to just cleaning because I have to keep him entertained too. So let me show you guys what I have going on. First of all, he just pulled out the broom and started sweeping because he said, what a mess. So he's cleaning up from after breakfast. So good job, Michael. Very good. So I have this planner, and this is the planner I use for my cleaning schedule for my house. And basically on the very first page of every month, I have things that I like to do on a monthly basis. Like I like to clean my doors, clean my fans, vacuum under the couches, clean up the kitchen window, clean out like the litter box, like take everything out and put it back in and put new litter back in, baseboards, walls, stuff like that I like to do on a monthly basis. But then I also have my schedule for weekly cleaning, and that involves like mopping the kitchen, cleaning the fridge, dusting, cleaning the shower, mopping, stuff like that I need to do on a weekly basis. Normally what I do is I compare this list with my actual daily planner, and I see like where I can fit in certain things. This week, like I said, it's been kind of hectic. Today is Thursday. It's been kind of hectic today. So I haven't been able to get a lot of things done this week. So that's why, like, for instance, like this day, you only see one thing this day. And on other weeks, it's like pretty packed on every day. I hope I'm making sense. But yeah, I like to do this. Bath and LV just means cleaning up the bathroom and sweeping the living room. And that's basically what I've done every single day, but I want to do more. And today, since it's raining outside, as you guys can see, I decided that today would be a good day to get a lot of these things crossed off my list. So for today, it's Thursday. It's Valentine's Day, by the way, so happy Valentine's Day. I had time during the week and I cleaned the fridge, the microwave, and the toaster already, so that's really good. But I still need to clean the living room, or at least sweep it. But I actually want to vacuum it, so I'm going to do that. I need to clean out the vacuum canister, and then I like to clean the top of my washer and dryer. But then there's also other things that I want to do. Like I need to do laundry today. I'd like to disinfect all the kitchen cabinets and the knobs in our house. And then probably dust. I want to vacuum the living room, and if I have time, I'd like to mop. But I don't know how much time I'll have to do it all today. But I wanted to show you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to start with is cleaning up the kitchen from after breakfast. It's not a big mess because I like to clean as I go, to be honest. So there isn't a big mess. I need to wipe down the counters and clean up Michael's high chair. Broom on the floor. Thank you. And then just sweep down here, and that's basically it. I'll wash the dishes after lunchtime, and yeah, so it's just going to be a relaxing cleaning day.
no, no, yeah, no, 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 yeah, no, no,
Okay, so our bedroom is all done. As you guys saw, I did dust everything, and then I moved all the furniture around so that I could vacuum. I moved all the baby stuff over here in the corner so that when the baby gets here, we're all ready. And I'm leaving a lot of space here because we're gonna have the baby's bassinet here. So that's gonna go there, and I'm gonna need this space, and this is my side of the bed. And then I'm currently, if you guys are interested, I'm currently reading this book. And I'm only on chapter like 4 or 5, but I'm loving it so far. What book are you guys reading? Do you guys read books or do you guys listen? I prefer to read over listen. My husband Michael loves to listen to books and not read. So yeah, anyways. So, and then I moved all of the baby stuff that was here, like the pack and play and that little chair, just because we're not gonna be using it anytime soon. I have my nursing chair here, these bins for our clothes. Just went ahead and vacuumed everything. And then our closet isn't very dirty at all. We just organized it, kind of organized it and cleaned it up a little bit. So it's not very dirty. So I just left that as it is. And yeah, our bedroom is done. And if I feel like I can do a little more, I would mop, but that's not happening today. So we're done in here for today. All right, so we're moving on to Michael's room. And I'm basically gonna do the same, just dust and vacuum, and I think that's it. And probably pick up a little because it's kind of messy in here. Room would take me a lot longer because there's so much furniture, but it actually took me a lot less time than my bedroom. So I dusted everything. I actually just realized that I didn't dust this, but we'll save that for another day. I didn't want to organize any of this because again, he plays with this all day, and I just feel like if I organize it, he's just gonna destroy it. So might as well leave it like that. And then I vacuumed. I did put some baking soda in the carpet and then vacuumed it up, and then just vacuumed the whole floor, and it looks better. So that's good. It's not perfect, but better. And this is what he loves to watch. Trash truck coming, trash truck day, and he loves to watch them. Was that cool, Michael? You love that, huh? You guys can see, still raining outside. Lots of rain today. I like to have my doors open. I turned off the heater, and I like to have the doors open just to get a little bit of a breeze in here, because I feel like if I have the windows closed all day and there's no breeze, like it always feels like I don't know, like I just like to have a little breeze for a couple of hours. When it starts getting chillier, I'll close them, but for now I like to have the windows open. Plus I like the sound of the rain. Anybody else? Or am I just weird? But I really like the sound of the rain. with making dinner now. And I have stuff in the oven. And then the other side, I'm just gonna put it in the microwave. So I have about 30 minutes before the food is done. So I'm gonna get some things done. I think I'm gonna wipe down all the kitchen cabinets. I've been trying to do that once a week. And I've actually noticed a difference. They look a lot better. Who would have thought? Here's my weekly list. Let me cross off what I've done today. So I dusted the living room, and then I vacuumed the living room, and then I disinfected all the house knobs, and I cleaned the kitchen cabinets. I also dusted both rooms and vacuumed both rooms, and then I cleaned the top of the washer and dryer. So I only need to do the vacuum canister at some point this week, mop the living room, which I don't know if it's going to happen this week, it might not, clean the bathroom, mop the bathroom, and then just do a really quick shower cleanup, and that's pretty much it. I mean, everything else has been done throughout the week, so even though I had a busy week, I was still able to get a lot of things done, so that's really good. So the only thing now that I have to do is just fold the laundry from today, which is 2 loads, which is just me and Michael's clothes and our towels. So that's pretty simple. And you guys probably don't want to see that. I mean, you guys probably fold laundry all the time and you don't want to see more laundry. So anyways, I hope you found this video kind of sort of motivational, you know, just fit in a couple of minutes every day to do a little bit of cleanup. And yeah, for me, for some reason, scheduling out like my cleaning schedule works for me. It's just I'm a planner, and when I see it, like, I'm a visual learner, so if I see it, like, I'll be able to do it. But I don't, like, if I schedule something for a day that I'm super busy, it's just not going to happen and I'm going to feel overwhelmed. So I try to schedule things out on days where it's going to be an easier day, or I'm going to have an easier dinner to make, and I won't be needing to be so hands-on, so I can sneak in a couple of like cleanings. Sorry guys, like I said, I'm 37 weeks and I'm like out of breath after talking for 2 minutes. Anyways, like I said, I hope you guys found this kind of sort of motivational. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe and you'll like this video. So with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.